evening and welcome to today's breaking news update. Let's get straight to the top story. Thug gang exposed how they rob you at red lights. Robber forces Sadhus to steal. The attack occurred on August 1 near the Sadipur flyover traffic signal in West Delhi's Moti Nagar area. A woman traveling in a Rapido cab to work on our place was approached by three men dressed as sadhus, complete with a smear on their bodies. They claimed to seek donation. As a gesture, she handed over rupees 200, but one of the men swiftly pulled off her gold and diamond ring and they fled. Delhi police launched an investigation using CCTV footage identifying the suspect fleeing in an auto rickshaw. The driver was traced, revealing that Vinod Kamat 50 provided the vehicle. He was arrested near Ashok Park metro station. Police then conducted a raid in Jugi in Punjab Park, apprehending Rizu 45 and his son Kabir 19. The ring was sold to goldsmith Gulsharan Singh 57 in GTB Nagar. Upon interrogation, Singh admitted melting the ring and surrendered the molten gold 61 stone pieces seized from his shop during a raid. Investigation continued, including whether this individual had been involved in similar robberies previously. Broader context and public alerts. This incident is not isolated. It reflects a known robbery pattern in Delhi where this used distraction to trick drivers and passengers. The notorious Thug gang operates by creating distraction, knocking on windows, posing as distressed individuals to steal valuable from stationary vehicles. Daily locals on Reddit count numerous instances of similar same people being approached by individuals posing as devotees or strangers asking for help or funds, only to be robbed the moment they open their windows. Victims are often advised to never open vehicle windows to strangers, regardless of perceived sincerity. Bangalore BMTC strike update. The strike initiated by state-run transport employees of BMTC, KSRTC, NWKRTC and KKRTC began on August 5, 2025, demanding the release of 38-month salary arrears and 25% wage hike from January 1, 2024. Strike declared indefinite August 5, 2025. Employees from all four state transport corporations, including BMTC and KSRTC, launched an indefinite strike on August 5, demanding payment of 38 months pending salary arrears and 25% pay hike from January 1, 2024.
When it comes to transportation, mainly for me as a student, for daily to attend the classes regularly and at a time, I need transportation is very important for me. Whenever we want to go somewhere, we need transportation help, which is necessary for mainly students and some employees who will work daily. At morning also, at a time we have to reach the classes, and these are a PG or hostel. For girls mainly the transportation is very needed, and recently in Karnataka mainly they will give the free buses for Bangalore, like BMTC, which is mainly helpful for everyone to travel without any cost. So I am very helpful from this. Thank you.
CM Siddaramaiah launched Lal Bagh Flower Show. Viewing is allowed until August 18. Ticket price and timing information here. CM Siddaramaiah inaugurated the flower and flower exhibition team on Rani Kichut Cinema and Sangoliriana at Lal Bagh in Bangalore. The exhibition in its 218th year will be held from August 7 to 18 and commemorates the struggle of freedom fighter. Online ticket purchase is being increased. Highlight: CM Siddaramaiah inaugurated the flower exhibition to be held from August 7 to 18. This time the flower show paid tribute to Kichur, Rani Chennamma and Sangoliriana. CM says Rihanna fought bravely against the British. Over 36.5 lakh flowers will feature in the display, including approximately 4 lakhs pistos, rose stems and 1,200 kg of dates like Hosur and Kolar. Anticipated visitor over 11 lakh per extended Republic Day show. This is your news, your world, and this is your Corona TV channel signing up until the next update. Stay aware, stay safe. We will be back with more stories that matter to you. Thanks for being with us.